In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your stainless steel sink step by step. There are some sneaky spots where dirt loves to hide on the sink, and I'll show them to you. Plus, I'll share a simple trick for removing rust if that's a problem for you. We're not skipping any details here. Let's do this. Before you start cleaning, make sure your sink is empty, no dishes, and also remove all the debris before applying any product. Also, remember to wipe down items near the sink like trays or soap dispensers. Those tend to get very dirty too. When I had my cleaning business, we always clean those little details and it made a big difference. We need a clean slate to get the best results here. Now we're going to start cleaning from top to bottom, starting with the faucet. Pay extra attention to tight spots like the handle and the base of the faucet where grime loves to build up. Quick tip: if you're planning to install a new faucet, choose a smooth design without all the intricate details. Avoid faucets with lots of grooves. They might look beautiful, but they are a pain to clean, y'all. If you already have one, let me know how it's working out for you in the comments below. Now it's time to apply the product to the sink. I'm using Barkeeper's Friend. It's one of my favorites because it tackles tough stains and even remove rust, which I'll show you shortly. Please note, some stainless steel sinks often have a grain, so make sure you're cleaning in the direction of the grain to avoid scratches. Next, grab your non-scratch sponge and clean. If you have some spots in your sink with rust, Barkeeper's Friend would take care of that. Just apply a little bit of product and gently scrub the area and watch the rust disappear. Also focus on areas that don't get much attention, like these edges here. Dirt loves to hide here, y'all. I'm not kidding. Look at that. Ew. This small little brush comes in handy for this type of work. Once you've scrubbed everything down, rinse the entire sink thoroughly. No product residue should be left behind here. Alright, now we're moving on to the garbage disposal area. This is one of those spots that gets super gross and can make your kitchen smell bad if you don't clean it regularly. So grab your product and a brush and let's do the cleaning. If your splash guard is removable, that's better. Go ahead and take it off and give it a thorough clean. If not, like mine here, no worries. Just clean around and under it as best as you can. Look how dirty this is. Not good at all. Now that the splash guard and the area around it is clean, let's finish up with a fresh disposal cleaner. This product is great for getting rid of any leftover grime. Plus, it absorbs odors and leaves your garbage disposal smelling fresh with a nice citrus scent. Just follow the instructions, let the foam do its thing, and rinse everything down the drain. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Be sure to check out this video for a full guide on how to clean your garbage disposal, along with all the do's and don'ts you need to know. You're welcome. Now grab a towel and wipe the sink to remove any excess water. Then follow up with a dry towel to polish. If this video is helpful to you, may you hit the like button and share so the video may spread to more people. Thank you for your support. If you're extra like me, you can polish your sink and make it shine. I'm using this stainless steel cleaner. Spray it on a dry microfiber cloth, polish, then flip the towel over to the dry side to give the sink a shiny finish. Okay, now remember how the sink looked before? And now look at the after. Amazing! The sink is all clean and shiny. Even the rust is gone, y'all. Look at that. You can definitely try this at home. Here's a pro tip for daily maintenance of your sink. Try to give your sink a quick clean at least once a day, especially in the evening after you're done with your dishes for dinner. Just a little dish soap and a sponge would do the trick. And then wipe it dry to keep water stains away. If this video was helpful to you, share it with people in your life who could use these tips. And be sure to check out the next video for more cleaning tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.